everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are here to discuss the networking devices, media, and connectors. I am Trisha, I'm going to discuss the networking devices.
I am Lay. I'm going to discuss the networking media.
I am Ash. I'm going to discuss the networking connectors.
Networking devices are physical devices that facilitate communication and data transfer within a computer network. The importance of networking devices are the building blocks of any network, enabling devices to communicate and share resources. These are different types of networking devices. Router. Routers are devices that connect different networks and determine the best path for data to travel between them. Switch hub. Hubs are basic devices that connect multiple devices within a LAN. Access point. Access points provide wireless connectivity for devices to connect to a wired network. Modem. Modems, short for modulator, demodulator, convert digital data from a computer into analog signals for transmission over analog communication lines and vice versa.
What is networking media? Networking media is a physical medium that carries data signals from one device. Importance of networking media. The importance of networking media are to exchange information along various media, physically and wirelessly. There is different types of networking media: copper cable, fiber optic cable, and wireless. Copper cabling are common referred to as Ethernet cables is widely used for local area network connections. There has a types of copper cabling Cat 5e, Cat 6, and Cat 7. Cat 5e it provides a bandwidth of 100 megahertz and support gigabytes at Ethernet. Cat 6 it offers a bandwidth of 250 megahertz and it is suitable for 10 gigabytes Ethernet. Cat 7 it supports up to 10 gigabytes Ethernet and has exchange shielding. Fiber optic cabling are used on light signals to transmit data and it's common for its high bandwidth and long distance capabilities. Wireless relies on radio waves to transmit data between devices.
The use of networking connectors. It plays a vital role in establishing connections between various devices in a network. Different types of connectors serve specific purposes such as RJ45, LC, SC, BNC, and USB. The importance of networking connectors are essential components in establishing a reliable and efficient communication within a network. It is crucial as they facilitate and seamless transfer of the data between devices within a network. Some information about different types of networking connectors. First, RJ45 connectors, commonly used for Ethernet connections. Second one is LC connectors, small form factors connectors suitable for high density installation. Third one is SC connectors, used for data communication over short distance in data centers. Fourth one is BNC connectors, found in various applications like video and network equipment. Last one, USB connectors. Adapters allow Ethernet connectivity, extending their use in networking.